Meaning of daytime.
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 Daytime. Daytime refers to the period of the day when it is light outside, typically between sunrise and sunset. This time period varies depending on the location and season. During daytime, the Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight and makes it visible to human eyes. Daytime is important for various activities such as work, education, outdoor recreation, and socialization. It is also essential for plants to carry out photosynthesis. In contrast, nighttime refers to the period of the day when it is dark outside and the sun is below the horizon.